I done already started, but you take the belt off, take the tension off, use a 1/2 inch, take the belt off, bam. This is a 15 back here. Take that off. It's another 15. You got 2 15s holding in the compressor. So once you take this 15 off back here, bam, that's your AC line. Move that. You got this little bracket. It's a 15. Pretty much you're gonna use a 15 all the way back here. Move this. 15, 15. Shit should come right up out of there in a minute. And if you still got the R12 system like this, you need to convert it to the 134. All you gotta do is... What, you hear me talking? Please evacuate all the R12 out. Everything else, when you get the new compressor, you just put the 134 in it. Now, it ain't the same amount of ounces as Freon, so y'all be careful with that. Oh, I got the compressor. Bam, that bitch up out of there. Alright, bam, new compressor. Make sure you got all your rings for the back. And make sure you got your oil. It's gonna take this kind of oil, 150. You're gonna pull that 150 back here when you take this out. Gotta head to O'Reilly's bitch ass. Alright, they not no bitch asses today. I'm gonna go this way, Z. Appreciate it. Damn, so that's about the way, Bob. What up? Bada bing. Boom. What is the goddamn tag on? 150. 150. This should be enough. Wasted a minute, bro. See, this one different. See the back? Oh, cuz. Man. It's the new one, man. Shit. Hold the oil in the biggest hole. Should look blue. This is an 8 ounce. Shit, pour it all out there. Then turn the clutch. This clutch ain't turning, but fuck it. Red one, this red one sit more flush than the green one. See, that green one kind of poking out some. It ain't flush. Alright, man. I got the new compressor on. AC blowing cold in the mud. It ain't hard, man. Look. I don't know if y'all can see, but you put that green wash on this side, you put the red wash on that side. It ain't leaking, no leaks. That's a 15 millimeter. That's a 15, that's a 15. To convert it, just evacuate all what's in it out of it and then put your fittings on there. Once your fittings on there, shit, put your new compressor on, charge that bitch up. You know what I'm talking about? AC blowing cold in the motherfucker. I think I got an exhaust leak. But y'all stay tuned. That was the, I tried to do a step-by-step. But I had to get this AC compressor. I had to get my tags. I had to get it tagged up. I gotta start driving this motherfucker. Cause they done fucked the Benz up. I don't know if I showed y'all. My Benz got hit. That all dented up and shit. But I'm gone, man. Y'all stay tuned. That was the AC compressor for the Caprice, goddamn me. AC blowing cold in the bitch. I need a sweater on right now. Y'all think I'm bullshit. AC, ugh. Windows up. Goddamn me riding in hot side. You know what I'm talking about? But yeah, man. Y'all stay tuned.